This video will discuss how to apply a custom discount to an AP invoice, and it will also go over how to exclude certain amounts from the discount on the AP invoice. So let's go and create a test invoice. So I'm going to put in my vendor here, and we'll just give this a test number, invoice date, post date, and we'll make this for $50. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a 1% discount. So I'll go ahead and fill in a test distribution line here, and I'll save this. So we have our invoice here. It's for $50. If it's paid by the 30 days, you will get a 1% discount. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in. Let's assume that $25 of this needs to be excluded from the discount amount. So maybe this was freight, some sort of freight and handling costs. That's a lot for freight, but let's just, for test case, let's just assume we're going to exclude 25. So when I save this, if I go down here to my approved to pay screen, I will show that this should have a discount amount of 25 cents. So normally the 1% would be 50 cents, but since we excluded $25, the discount amount will be 25 cents. So that's how you can exclude certain amounts from your discounts. Now let's go over how to apply a custom discount amount. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to create another test invoice. We'll make this one for $1,000. Save this. Select my distribution and save the invoice. So now I have an invoice here for $1,000. So there's a couple ways that I can go about doing this. If I want to actually approve just this single invoice from this screen, I can go down here again to my Approve for Payment button. And on here, as you saw earlier, there is a discount amount box. So I can actually go into there and I can create my own discount. So when I put in a discount, it's going to give me my new amount to approve. So if I were to put in $20, of course it's going to auto-populate the amount to approve. So even if you have a payment term set up, maybe there's an instance where the vendor has said, if you pay this by tomorrow, we'll give you a flat rate discount of $20. So you can go in here regardless of the payment terms, and you can change that discount amount. Now, if you are in your regular approved AP invoices screen, which of course is under Transaction, Accounts Payable, Approve AP Invoices, you can also apply or create that custom discount in this screen. So I'm going to go ahead and select my vendor. So that's ABC Test Company. I'm going to refresh, and it's going to load all of my AP invoices for that test company. I do not have to select the exact one that I just created. I can use any of these, so I'll just use this top one here. So let's assume that we have a balance of $500 on here. Let's take this third one. We have an invoice for $1,500, a balance of $1,500, and we want to apply a discount, a custom discount to this. So if I scroll over to the right, I see here that there is a column called Approve Discount Amount. So I can go in here and I can type in that discount amount. After I've typed in my discount amount that I want to approve, if I click on my Approve, then again it's going to automatically load the remaining amount in my approved to pay column. So once I update this check is now approved for $14.50, and that discount has been applied. And that's it.